Join Afsheen Saher, who is pursuing her bachelor's in computer applications and currently in her third year. As she takes you through a dynamic day in her life at Presidency College. From structured academic sessions, hands-on lab work, and ongoing project development, to preparing for seminars and presentations. Her day reflects the perfect blend of learning and real-world application. Alongside her coursework, Afsheen actively fulfills her student council responsibilities, coordinating with the placements team and interacting with her peers, and contributing to campus initiatives that enrich student life. Her dedication embodies the true spirit of presidency, where students grow not only through academics, but also through leadership, communication, and collaboration. Every day is an opportunity to learn, lead, and inspire, and Afsheen's journey is a glimpse into the holistic development that Presidency College strives to provide. At Presidency, we don't just educate, we nurture the leaders of tomorrow. And Afsheen's story is a shining example of that vision in action.